Hey traders, let's go over the daily shadow video. Had some put buying in some of the casinos today. We're about an hour into the opening bell. You had some win April 97.5 puts and some Vegas. There we go, April 50 puts right there. And now remember, these names, you look at Vegas here, huge move, but starting to decline. Some of these strong names are coming after today in the puts. You know, look at these. Win Vegas down 4 or 5%. Actually saw some Intel March 31, 28.5 puts. Intel's actually been holding up very, very strong lately. But, you know, look at that move in Intel, right? But they came in today and finally loaded up on puts. So even some of these strong names, you know, obviously could be protection, especially on a name like Intel. But even some of these strong names, see some Delta puts, Deutsche Bank. Those are long dated, January 2025 puts. Those European banks, as I mentioned this morning, very, very, they have been a dark cloud. Well, let's be honest. HSBC, another one with September 32 puts, but today you're finally starting to see some cracks in these names. Which, you know, look at these look at the big moves off the low. So finally, the strong names are getting crushed here. Saw some puts in Slumber-J as well. The April 40 puts. You know me, I've been against energy. I feel like I talk bad about energy almost every day now. Slumber-J down 5%. What's the XLE down today? Last time I looked, it was 3%. Wow, now almost 4% down XLE. So remember, dollar higher. You're having some pressure today with the dollar higher, especially on these commodity-related names. Gold, though, moving higher. And one thing to keep an eye on if you haven't, is the Japanese yen. You see an up yen, and you go look at the FXY. You see an up yen, you should have weakness in the equity markets, and obviously that's what we're seeing in the S&P. You know, especially if you look at the IWM, small caps, because of all the exposure to regional banks and energy. So IWM is going to be the weakest because, you know, energy's lagging, and then financials. KRE down 2% today, basically giving back that whole move from yesterday's pop. Hope the video helps. Again, not seeing a lot of aggressive orders, just, you know, more put activity, which could be hedging. So you're not having a lot of people take positions in markets. If anyone picked up, we did the live master indicator class yesterday. Some of those First Republic Bank puts, you know, doing very nice today, and Ally Financial puts we saw yesterday. We saw some of the puts in the banks, you know, doing very well today too. All right, I'm out. Thanks everyone, and look at when now on the lows of the day. Whew.